Good evening, friends. Hi, this is Vijay Kalose from Saffron's Events. First of all, I'd like to tell everybody, I'd like to blow my trumpet that Saffron's has completed 30 years in the industry in regards to beauty pageant, publication and all. So this time on this occasion, we are coming up with a rally called Saffron's Women's Day Weekend Fund Drive. And this drive will take place from Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane, and this will go to Khanvel Resort, Silvassa. So we are here with the team to talk about our event, and anybody wants to ask any question, please, you can go ahead. Acha, would like to introduce, from left we start with Vaishali Rode. Vaishali Rode, ma'am is about you is she will introduce herself. She is herself is a rider, and she been doing big rallies. She is ex-army and fitness freak also, as well as very like a normal army lady कैसे होते हैं वैसे she is there. So she is there to take care of everything. She'll come up with her own introduction later on. Then Mr. Gaurang Nayak ji. Gaurang is as a sponsorer, and he is also a socialite. He has his tours and travels business, so he's our what do you call gift partner, big gift partner us. And we have a representative from Khanvel Resort, Mr. Dipti. Miss Dipti, sorry, उनको बिस्तर देगा. Miss Dipti from Khanvel Resort. And here on the right side we have Sunetra Palav. She's a granddaughter of Bhagwan Dada. She's a granddaughter of Bhagwan Dada, and she's here as again she's also having this kind of rallies and picnic. She's a owner of picnic.
Perfect Picnics.
Perfect Picnics, and she'll introduce herself again. Then we have our Saffron Mrs. India Elite. She is this year's 2020's winner in Elite category, and she is also part of it. We have a stunt woman. Now she can't do some stunts over here, but she will do later on, and she can show you. And she's a part of our drive with her own team. So these are my team, and there are many more teams, but due to some commitment they could not join. But yes, we are here, and there will be more and more people be a part of it. So I would like Vaishali ma'am to start with it about yourself and about the event.
So, hello everyone. Just now, Vijay sir told you about like who I am. I'm Vaishali Rode, and even after my retirement, I'm just practicing in Mumbai High Court as a corporate lawyer and a legal advisor. But since like associate with army, military, criminal practitioner in High Court, I am very much into adventure. So I choose like bike ride is more adventurous. So I travel thrice at Leh Ladakh on bike. I have my Harley, Royal Enfield, and I'm just passionate. That is just as a hobby. So even I guess I participated in your event also.
She was a finalist in international beauty pageant. She was a finalist in the beauty pageant.
So तो हमें अब बस आपको यही बताना है कि जो वुमेंस डे पे जो रैली विजय सर ने इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रहे हैं आफ्टर लाइक ही कंप्लीटेड आई गेस 30th ईयर. सो दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट इवेंट. मुझे सिर्फ खाली ये हैंडल करना है. Since like 7 years I am handling rallies, bike rallies as a rally captain. तो मुझे रैली में यदि फर्स्ट रैली जा रही है तो डिसिप्लिन, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, each and every rules and regulations about the rights, each and every participant should follow, and that वो मेरा प्रॉमिस रहेगा कि मैं उसका पूरा केयर करूँगा कि कोई भी रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस तोड़ेंगे नहीं. So that is my duty, and whatever the help Vijay sir need, Definitely, I will like always there.
She'll be always there.
Yes, thank you so much.
She'll be. We have a 3 core team from Mumbai. I'll be handling the rally, the drive. Thane, Vaishali ma'am will be taking care of heading the ride, and Sunetra will be taking from Navi Mumbai. The 3 we have Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and Thane that will go to Silvassa Khanville. So this is there, and Gaurang sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am Gaurang Naik from Bhuneshwari Group of Company. We are having total 3 companies: Bhuneshwari Hotel and Resort, BYatra.com, that is online travel portal, and BJJ Tanks. You are doing nice job. Women Empower के लिए, that is very good. Regular I provide free hotel stay to participants in each and everywhere. ये बार इनकी वुमेंस को मैं नकुल जी भी हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं जिनके खानवेल रिसोर्ट है। ये बार मैं पंचगनी की 4 स्टार लग्जरी होटल समर प्लाजा उनके फ्री होटल स्टे का गिफ्ट वाउचर इनके विनर्स को इनको जैसे बताएंगे उनको देंगे।
क्या बात है।
4 स्टार होटल है, उसमें 2 नाइट 3 डेज टोटल फ्री होटल स्टे रहेगा उनका समर प्लाजा पंचगनी में। जैसे पीजन होते हैं अलग अलग जगह पे, वुमेन एम्पावर के प्रोग्राम होते हैं हर जगह। मैं जुड़ना चाहता हूँ इन लोगों के साथ में कि मैं भी एक वुमेन एम्पावर के लिए कहीं ना कहीं कुछ पार्टिसिपेट कर पाऊँ और कहीं मैं इंक्रीमेंट दे पाऊँ। अच्छा लगता है कि वुमेन जब भी आगे बढ़ती है खुद अपने पैरों पे बलबूते पे कुछ करना चाहती है, लोगों को दिखाना चाहती है कि हम भी कम नहीं है। तो आई अप्रिशिएट एवरीवन, थैंक्स।
अबाउट गौरंग सर, उन्होंने मेरे अभी जो हाल ही में ब्यूटी पेजेंट हुआ था, उन्होंने दुबई दिया था, दुबई प्राइज़ मरसिंगा थाईलैंड और मनाली का उन्होंने 1st, 2nd, 3rd प्राइज़ दिया था। उनके विनर यहाँ पर अभी बैठे, आपसे कांटेक्ट करेंगे। हाँ, तो वो है। तो यस, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एवरी टाइम गुड फ्रॉम हिम। सो दीप्ति मैम विल बी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग herself.
I'm a representative from Khanville Resort. We are a 3-star property in Silvassa. We have about 200 rooms and we are spread in more than 35 acres. We have already done bikers events earlier, like Royal Enfield, Kawasaki, Super Riders, and this is the 4th event of bikers which is going to happen. We are very happy because obviously it's related to a women, and Women's Day is just on 8th. On the weekend we are doing this. So we are very happy that we can be associated with such a kind of a event. And congrats to Sacred Events for their 30th year. All are welcome. Please to come, join at their property and enjoy their stay there.
Thank you. सुनेत्रा मैम.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग आउट हियर टुडे। सबसे पहले तो मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को उनकी मेमोरी याद रखने के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, माय नेम इज़ सुनेत्रा पालव। आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ द परफेक्ट पिकनिक्स। आई एम इनटू एडवेंचर, बट फॉर मी एडवेंचर मीन्स बीइंग वन विद नेचर. You know, go out there, chill, enjoy nature, be comfortable, get an experience and come back rejuvenated and refreshed. Along with that, I also work with the Navi Mumbai Police Department as the committee member for a special juvenile unit. This position was given to me because I'm also the founder of the Fight Back Club Against Child Abuse. I am very vocal and very strongly feel that the POCSO Act needs amendments so that our future generations can get the justice. And I advocate it wherever we go because I'm also a single mother. And I am one hell of a strong woman, but when it comes to my kids, it can break me, just like that. So this rally that we are doing, this fun drive that we are doing, been doing women's drives and women's rallies for the past 3 years, ever since I came back from the US. और इंडिया में आने के बाद में इंडिया की जो खूबसूरती है वो दिल में बस गई, फिर से सारी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. I was 21 when I went to US. So when I came back, I saw India through the eyes of a woman, and I wanted to show everybody, especially women, कि you can travel solo, you can learn how to pitch a tent, you can learn how to be self-sufficient and self-reliant and also have fun. तो ये जो रैली में हम जो जा रहे हैं, जो औरतें जा रही हैं, लेडीज़, अभी लेडीज़ लास्ट 1 ईयर से झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन नाश्ता खाना, शाम का नाश्ता, रात का खाना, और इसके बीच में बच्चे बोलते हैं मम्मा कुछ अच्छा बना के दो, इसी में हम फंसे हैं. We take care of social distancing. When we get vegetables in the house, we wash it. So we take responsibility of social distancing. So एक दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए बस. सिलवासा जाके आना है सबको. हमें एक दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए हमारे काम धंधे से, बच्चों को संभालने से, स्कूल का ऑनलाइन वर्क करने से. We want to go out there. We will take responsibility of our own social distancing, because if we do, then the government doesn't have to do it for us. So we have been doing this for the past year in our house, and we are going to nature people. Nature में जगह ही जगह है. आपको 6 फुट नहीं 15 फुट की जगह भी मिलेगी. जितना सन्नाटा चाहिए, जितना social distancing चाहिए, you will have it. And that is why even during this pandemic, I have joined hands with Vijay, and we are doing this rally because women deserve a break. What better day to just go out, shed your responsibilities, maintain social distancing, have a lot of fun, go safe, come back safe. And thank you so much for spreading the word, you all, and keep fighting the fight against child abuse. Thank you.
I'm Mrs. Audrey Moraes, Saffron's Mrs. India, Queen in the elite category. I'm associated with Saffron's from the last 1 year after winning this contest. Vijay sir has gone through and he is going to have this program on a large scale. All the women out there, I request them to come enjoy it because it's going to be a lot of fun. Women's Day plus fun. I'm sure many of them will want to join us. So it's going to be a good time, a happy time for all of us. So I'm going to go there. Are you? Thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I am Joanna Reynolds, and I've been riding bikes illegally since I was in the 9th grade. That is, I was 14 years old. And I know that sounds crazy, but yes, it's always been my passion to ride bikes, and it gives me immense pleasure that Vijay sir approached for this rally. And what better day can it get for women to come together and enjoy and just take some time out for themselves and just go on a nice ride, which is actually a meditation for me. I find it like a meditation pace. So yes, I would give a big shout out to all the women in the city. Please do come join us, and this is going to be an amazing time for everybody, and we'll make sure that I second Vaishali ma'am on that, the safety, women's safety, which is going to be the topmost priority. When we ride, we wear our gears, we wear our helmets, and we follow the rules. That is our basic thing that we follow, and I think the entire team is going to go hand in hand, and this is going to be a fun rally. Thank you.
Listen, just now Mr. Paresh Maniar has joined. Paresh Maniar sir is a businessman who has sponsored diamond gift to us, to all. In fact, he has announced that every participant in this fund drive, they will be getting diamond gift from me. So one way is sponsor sitting very close. So I think he'll talk more about yourself.
Hi everybody. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. First of all, I would thank Vijay ji for inviting me for this wonderful occasion for all women who are going to drive the long journey in life, which is absolutely a new concept. When he actually approached me, I was really thrilled about it. I said, wow, what a way to go ahead. And he said, this is the way you can sponsor diamonds. For a moment, yeah, I said, that's a good way, of course. And he made me just convinced, give away diamond jewelry to everybody.
No, no, he's telling lies. I asked him for few winners, but he said few winners what I'll give. He never knew that how many people were supposed to take. I gave him approximate afterwards. He said I'll give diamond to every participant. Then I told the figure. I thought he'll say, "Acha, ठीक है, okay, fine. I'll give to all the 500." So it's.
all women deserve the diamond अगर women के पास नहीं गया तो किसके पास जाएगा?
Like 4 to
नो वी आर मेकिंग
5
पैरामीटर 5
hours.
आवर्स रखे हैं.
Yes,
मुंबई
5 hours.
मुंबई वाले 5 घंटे में पहुंचेंगे, ठाणे वाले 3 घंटे में पहुंचेंगे, नवी मुंबई वाले 3.5 घंटे में. तो वैसा बट दे आर रीचिंग ऑन प्रॉपर 12 जो टाइम दिया वो टाइम पे. और इसमें ये इवेंट का ये एक मज़ा है कि ये 1 नाइट स्टे है वहाँ पर. ओके, जब 7 को निकलेंगे और 7 को वहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे जो 6 को 6 को निकलेंगे तो दोपहर 12 बजे से दूसरे दिन 3 बजे तक पूरी पार्टी है. पूल पार्टी है, डिस्कोथेक है, एवरीथिंग. हाँ,
All women.
वुमेन्स देयर इज अ स्टंट भी है, बाइकर स्टंट एंड ऑल. दे आर डूइंग ऑल स्टंट एंड ऑल. और फॉरगेट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्राइजेस टू बी वन. तो उनको ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ है तो दे विल बी विनिंग लॉट ऑफ प्राइजेस और यादव के साथ प्राइजेस भी लेके जाएंगे. थैंक यू सर.